where there's people's houses. But I came to a trail that led to a trail that led to a trail, up the hill, and I came down this, and as you can see, probably can see, it's fucking blocked. There's trees knocked over, blocking it, and cut down so that it's hard to get down the hill. But I saw what looked like a fire pit, and since I've already found one back the way I came, and it was just made by neighborhood kids, and when I was there, I met one of the kids that rides a dirt bike in here, and he was probably like in his 20s. I don't know if he was like a kid, but the point is, I thought this might be something similar. So I come down the fucking hill. Now remember, we're still in the woods. We're still in the fucking woods, right? I don't know what this is. Do you see the fucking trees? Look at the white shit, okay? I was like, okay, these are probably no trespassing signs, or maybe it's something for the wildlife or something. Anyway, I'll cut right to the chase because I might die. Look what these fucking are. What the fuck is going on in here? And this isn't like woods I've never been to. Like, I've been here before. I've been here a lot. I've been here so much, I've actually been to the hospital getting stitches because of some of the adventures that I've had. That's beside the point. These are all different fucking people. And they're all just... This is Utah, Florida. They're all different. They're all fucking different. Every single one. This one's from Georgia. And look at this shit. Like, look where the fuck we are. Who the fuck does something like this? What's this? This is some kind of oil filter, I think. Old as fuck. Yeah, so like, anyway, I'll tell you the location is inside the dunes. The dunes on East Jericho by where Pathmark used to be. You gotta go in and you gotta just keep going in. Making, what did I do? How did I get here? Made a series of lefts and went through the fence, and I just mostly followed the main trails, and then I kind of just kept making a left. This one's from South Carolina. Jesus fuck, like look not only how many there are and the fact that we're in here, but the fucking trouble that somebody went through. Like, who the fuck is gonna, Jesus fuck. Sorry, spiderwebs. Or not, this is a dude. It's a dude, 26. Last seen August 5th. There's no year. LAPD. I don't even know whose house that is down there. I don't know anything about this fucking fire pit. Somebody clearly went to a lot of trouble to make the fire pit. You gotta understand, if that is somebody's property, I'm pretty sure that it is, considering you can hear the traffic coming from that direction. Considering this is the side of the woods where people's property be at, and considering that's some shit. Fuck. Like, this is bad. I do not have a gun. All I got is this, which incidentally was my birthday present to myself. This is the Kabar bacon maker, which is just perfect. But I mean, what am I gonna do against a guy with a gun? You know what I mean? What's this one? Christopher, Oregon. Fucking spiderwebs. We got this one, and this obviously, you can tell these aren't new. Like, not just that this is 2012, Noblesville, Indiana, right? Look at the fucking tape. Look at the water damage. These shits have been hanging up for a while. And look at this. Like, just fucking look at this. Who the fuck is gonna decorate this? What the fuck? This guy's a grown-up. (2009) Burbank, California. Tim, Hamilton Police, 2013, Lancaster. Indiana University, 2011. You see the fucking traffic on the road down there. What's this one? Laura Marie, Pinellas County. Missing 2009. Fuck, there's more. There's one there. One there. There's one there. There's one right in front of me. One there. One there. Let me just look at that. These are just the ones that I've gone and close up. I did close ups so far. Look at this. What the fuck is this? Carolina Beach, North Carolina, 2009. You had to walk through all this shit to hang these up. It's another missing guy. Brian Schaefer, 2006. OSU medical student. Over there. See that shit? The orange thing on the tree. It's a drop light. Or this. Holy shit, I just realized what I'm looking at. The video's not doing it justice, but this bundle of sticks, they're lashed together. That's a cage of some kind, or a hut, or a lean-to or something. And over here in the middle of the fire pit, that's a shovel. I don't even know if this fucking shit is booby-trapped. Think about it. Somebody that could put this together, like, they could be watching me right now. What's in there? Santa Ana, California, missing 2006. All of these sticks that you can see, they're all lashed together, right angles, as if to make a cage, or a shelter, or a lean-to, or a trap. This part right in the middle, it's a hole. It's a filled-in hole, but it's a hole. I'm assuming that whatever this is collapsed. Whatever it was intricate. It took a lot of time to make. Stacy Peterson, 23 years old, missing from Illinois, 2007. Oh shit, I heard voices. We have to get the fuck out of here.